roads, planes, buses, cars, and trains lead to downtown Dallas, Texas for the 6th annual Riverfront Jazz Festival, one of the most exciting and growing music festivals in America, produced by the Black Academy of Arts and Letters. It's good food, dancing, and socializing, and above all, spectacular artists and entertainment on 3 stages for 3 days on Labor Day weekend, Friday, September 1st through Sunday, September 3rd, 2023. Get here if you can, and get your tickets now at Ticketmaster.com or call 800-745-3000 and 214-743-2400. Get here. Be here.
You could meet one artist. Who would it be?
Probably Bob.